Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. This is the set we're going to be creating today. I created a blues set because girl, I was going through the blues. But if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. But first, y'all already know I got to have me a drink. So today's drink is a mixed Mai Tai. I got this from QT. I'm in Texas. So if you know, you know. And I ain't do nothing special for this one because I already know what it is. It's the business. Like, one of them will get you lit. Do you hear me? All I need is one, baby. Two, if I'm feeling nasty. Never trashy. Always classy. So, yeah, I put in my little QT cup with some crushed ice because that's the only way to drink it. Come on now.
Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on
Alright, so I've already prepped my nails except for the pinky because I wanted to do a stiletto look. I'm not good with shaping, so I started off with my clippers, but I actually went back in and did it with some straight scissors. Don't use clippers because they do have a curved side to it, so it won't come out right. So I just use this nail swatch stick to kind of like guide me as far as the shaping. It still didn't come out all that right, but I'm a beginner, so you know, I did what it do. All right, so that's the shape that I got. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm going in and taking the shine off by using my buffer hand file. I'm going to take these blue stickers, which is the same stickers I used in my last video, and I'm going to go ahead and place them all over the nail. Once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and place some top coat on it and go ahead and place my glitters on. Next, of course, I'm going to take my IBD gel so I can create this fake encapsulated situation. I took one bead and swooped it all the way up to the middle, and then I went ahead and did a second bead. Once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cure it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I can't really remember.
Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one really, it's a clean shot.
So while that's curing, I'm going to go ahead and work on my middle finger. I'm using this French tip sticker to create my French tip. And I am using the Saviland in Jewel Blue. I did 2 coats of this. And I'm sorry for all of the background noise, y'all. I have 2 whining bee dogs. And they just be going crazy. As y'all already know, I showed y'all in the previous video. So I cured that for 60 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and start working on my pinky finger again. I'm just taking some alcohol and wiping off that sticky layer. I'm going to take my nail swatch stick and kind of use it as a guide to shape it back up because the IBD gel does kind of make it lose its shape.
baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside. PT. 2-time, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me. Gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right by. 2-time, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Now that I have it all shaped up, I'm just going to go ahead and place some top coat on it, and I am going to cure that for 60 seconds. All right, back to this now. So I'm going to go in and take off the sticker French tip guide, and I'm going to go around it with some shiny blue, like but shiny blue from Savvyland. I'm just using a painter's detail brush, and this was so hard to do because, again, y'all, I'm not good with straight lines, but you know, I made it do what it do. Once I get done with the detail brush, I'm going to go in with a small dotting tool and go around the French sticker part at the bottom.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me that.
Next, I'm going to take my Bell Boost rhinestone glue gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and start placing my gel down. That way I can place my rhinestones. Y'all, I want to try to do Lay's rhinestone glue, but I can't buy it until I get done with this glue, and I have 2 little tubes of it. So once I get done with those 2 tubes, I'm definitely going to get that Zulays, because I heard it was the business. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all watch me place my jewels or rhinestones.
What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la. When the girl from my touch.
And boom, this is a set so far. This shit so fire. It's so fire to me. Oh my God, I really did that. But let's get into this marble thumb. I'm going to be using 6 different colors to create this marble. I'm just going to take each color and dot it all over the nail. Once I get done dotting them all over the nail, I'm going to go ahead and swirl it with my dotting tool, and then I'm going to cure this for 3 minutes because it is a little bit thicker considering how many gel polishes I used.
So you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability.
And boom, look at that. Oh, so fine, so fine. This is the set completed. Oh my God. I really did that. I'm so excited. So let's get right on into the try on.
Keeping on this anymore is with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
And definitely did that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I will see y'all in the next one.